Welcome back to Product Critique. In today's video, we're talking about the best silver 30mm thin hoop earrings you can get online. These beauties come from PABBEU and are part of a 5-pair silver hoop earring set that has quickly become a favorite for minimalists, fashionistas, and everyone in between. It starts with the quality and variety. In one package, you're getting 5 pairs of hoop earrings, each in a different size: 30, 40, 50, 60, and 70 millimeters. That gives you the flexibility to switch up your style depending on the occasion. Whether you're heading to brunch, the office, or a night out, there's a size in this set that's going to fit the vibe perfectly. These earrings are crafted from high-quality 316L stainless steel. That means they're hypoallergenic, nickel-free, and lead-free. So if you've ever dealt with irritation from wearing cheap earrings, you can leave those days behind. These are built for long-term comfort and wearability. They also won't tarnish or turn your ears green, which is a huge plus if you're someone who wears jewelry every day. The polished silver finish gives them a sleek, modern look, and the thin hoop design makes them subtle but stylish. They're bold enough to make a statement, yet simple enough to go with literally any outfit. And speaking of outfits, these earrings are so versatile. You can pair them with anything from a basic tee and jeans to a little black dress. That's the kind of accessory that adds real value to your wardrobe. Let's talk about comfort. These hoops are super lightweight, which is rare for bigger hoop earrings. You'll forget you're even wearing them, and that's exactly how it should be. No more aching ears or constantly adjusting your jewelry throughout the day. Plus, they come with a secure latch back closure that's sturdy and easy to fasten, so they'll stay in place all day long. Gifting is another great reason to pick these up. Since you're getting 5 different sizes in one set, they make an awesome gift for sisters, moms, best friends, or hey, just gift them to yourself. The set is stylish, thoughtful, and budget-friendly. It's a win across the board. And here's something that adds a layer of trust. These earrings are verified by Amazon's transparency program. That means every unit shipped comes with a unique code that confirms it's an authentic product. So, you know you're getting exactly what you paid for. To wrap it all up, this 5-pair set from PABBEU isn't just a good deal, it's a fashion essential. Between the hypoallergenic stainless steel, the variety of sizes, the comfort of the lightweight design, and the versatile style, you're getting far more than your money's worth. If you're looking for a reliable, stylish, and skin-friendly set of silver hoop earrings, especially the perfect 30mm pair, this is the one. Check the link in the description to grab your set today and give your jewelry collection the upgrade it deserves. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more no-nonsense reviews of the best products online. Catch you in the next one.